See if this works. Fucking nope. Alright, so here's what this video is really about. Called my Snap-on guy last night because I ran into this air compressor problem. Asked him if he had one of these, and he did. This is the ultra low profile 12-piece metric low profile ratchet socket set and bit holder. 72 tooth low profile ratchet, 12-point sockets, 1/4-inch magnetic bit holder. 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the one I needed. This is part number 112 RTM. As you can see, it comes with the ratchet. The handle kind of reminds me of a fun dip stick. Let's see. And I didn't know, but you can use a 1/4-inch ratchet on it too. If you don't necessarily need this one or buy this one, you can use them with 1/4-inch ratchets or just a wrench. So I'm going to show you actually how much more low profile this is. Let me get a 1/4-inch drive I have in here. Let's see, 13 right there. About that much. That's a pretty big fucking difference. That's a gear wrench setup on the right and the Snap-on low profile on the left. Let's go see if this fits in the hole. Beautiful. Perfect fucking fit. Now, I'm probably gonna need to put something on the end of this to kind of cheat the torque. Hopefully Snap-on doesn't see that and void my warranty. But yeah. Expensive, but when you gotta get the head off an air compressor on a Cummins ISX and you don't want to pull the whole air compressor off, this is going to be the way to go. I've also used serpentine belt tools. They work, but they're big, bulky, pain in the ass to get lined up sometimes. Anyway, pretty slick little set. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe, comment, and let me know how it did. Alright, bye.